You may remember this ceiling fan from a few years ago when I filmed it back in 2011 off my old DXG camera. Well, the original blades, one of the blades broke, so it just got different blades on it now, 100 original. But anyways, here's high. I can't remember if this ceiling fan is made by Concord or whatever, but anybody remember? Anybody know who made this ceiling fan? Okay, here's medium. And low. And low. This is just a quick video. And off. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.